Today, I am reviewing the Getorli Mini PC AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the internal hardware, the Ryzen 7 8745HS is a capable processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it occupies a sweet spot for a lot of people. It is not necessarily built to replace a top-tier liquid-cooled gaming rig, but for a general home office environment, moderate content creation, or even some light to medium gaming, it has plenty of headroom. The inclusion of the Radeon 780M integrated graphics is a major factor here, as that particular graphics solution has gained a solid reputation for punching well above its weight class in the mini PC segment. You are not going to be running the latest AAA titles at maximum settings in 4K, but if you enjoy titles like Valorant, League of Legends, or even some older but still demanding games, this machine handles them with surprising ease, especially when you keep the resolution at 1080p. The memory and storage setup is what I would call the modern standard for a decent mid-range machine. You are looking at 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Having DDR5 is a nice inclusion because it provides better bandwidth and general system responsiveness compared to the older DDR4 standards. For most people, 16 gigabytes is the perfect amount for a daily driver. You can have a browser open with dozens of tabs, a music streaming app, and a spreadsheet, and the system should not feel like it is chugging along. That 1TB SSD is also quite generous for a pre-built mini PC, giving you enough breathing room to install your operating system, all your core productivity software, and a decent library of media or games without worrying about running out of space in the first month. Now, let us talk about the design and the connectivity, because this is where the Getorli really differentiates itself from a standard laptop or a bulkier tower. One of the most striking features is its ability to support a quad display setup. You have HDMI, DisplayPort, and dual USB-C ports at your disposal. If you're someone who works in finance, data analysis, or creative production where screen real estate is not a luxury but a necessity, being able to plug in 4 monitors is a huge win. The fact that this fits in the palm of your hand and can run 4 screens is something that still feels a little bit like a technological achievement. The network connectivity is equally robust. With dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, this machine is clearly positioned to handle more than just web browsing. If you're setting up a home lab, a dedicated media server, or just want a rock-solid wired connection that is future-proofed against faster internet tiers, those ports are very welcome. On the wireless side, you have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures that you're going to have a stable connection to your peripherals and your router, assuming you're using a Wi-Fi 6 capable access point. Thermal design in a device this small is always the silent battle. Getorli has implemented a cooling system that uses heat pipes and an optimized airflow layout. Because the internal components are packed so tightly, the fan will have to ramp up when you are pushing the processor, and you'll hear it. It is not an abrasive or high-pitched sound, but it is certainly audible under load. If you are doing light web browsing or typing up documents, it should stay mostly quiet, but if you start rendering video or running a stress-heavy task, you'll notice the system is working hard to move that heat out. That is just the trade-off you make for having a computer this size. When it comes to the user experience, you have to remember that this is a niche product. If you are a heavy gamer, you should know exactly what an integrated graphics chip can and cannot do. Do not expect to replace a desktop with a dedicated graphics card and get the same results. This is not for that. This is for the person who wants a clean desk, a machine that is almost invisible when it is mounted behind a monitor, and a computer that is powerful enough to tackle any office or creative task without stuttering. It is for the person who values space and efficiency above absolute peak power. The brand itself is promising a 1-year warranty, which is standard in this space, and they mention a professional after-sales support team. It is worth noting that for these smaller, independent brands, your experience with after-sales support can vary. It is always a good practice to keep your receipts and reach out to them early if you notice anything strange with the hardware. The fact that they offer a return or a replacement service for hardware issues provides a decent layer of protection for your purchase, which is vital when you are buying from a company that might not have a physical store location you can walk into. The physical build quality feels sufficient. It is not a premium, unibody aluminum work of art like some high-end ultrabooks, but it is durable, utilitarian, and designed to sit on a desk or be VESA-mounted. The port selection is intelligently distributed so you can keep your cables managed, though with 4 displays and a few USB peripherals, you're going to be doing some serious cable management to keep your desk from looking like a spiderweb. If you are a minimalist, that is going to be your biggest hurdle. Who should buy this? I think this is an ideal machine for someone transitioning from a laptop to a desktop experience who does not want the clutter of a massive tower. It is great for students, professionals working from home, or even as a living room entertainment hub. If you're someone who likes to tinker, the mini PC market is very welcoming, though you should check the manufacturer documentation if you ever plan on upgrading the RAM or the SSD down the line. Who should avoid this? If you're a competitive gamer who demands high frame rates in the latest titles, this is not the right tool for the job. You would be better served by a dedicated gaming desktop. Likewise, if you are planning to do high-end 3D modeling or massive, complex video editing projects with dozens of 4K streams, you might find that the thermal limitations of a micro PC will eventually bottleneck your productivity. The value proposition is quite strong when you consider what you get. You are getting a modern 8-core processor, high-speed RAM, plenty of fast storage, and professional-grade connectivity options for a fraction of the cost of a comparable brand-name laptop. If you already have a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, you can essentially set up a powerhouse workstation for a very reasonable price. It is about the efficiency of your investment. You are paying for the core performance, not for the marketing, the branding, or the extra premium associated with larger computers. I also want to emphasize the importance of checking your peripherals, because this is a bare-bones system in terms of what you get in the box, meaning no screen, no mouse, and no keyboard. Your overall satisfaction will be highly dependent on the quality of the monitor you plug into it. If you want to take advantage of those 4K output ports, make sure you have the cables and the monitors that can actually handle that. A lot of people buy these units and then try to use an old VGA monitor with a cheap converter, which is a recipe for frustration. Looking at the software side, it will come with Windows, and you will have to go through the usual setup and updates. Some people prefer to do a clean install right out of the box to get rid of any potential bloatware, which is a great idea if you're tech-savvy. It does not take much time, and it ensures that you are starting from a completely blank slate, which helps with the overall system speed in the long run. Ultimately, the Getorli Mini PC is a practical, no-nonsense piece of hardware. It handles the tasks it is meant to do: productivity, light gaming, and general multitasking, with speed and consistency. It does not try to be the fastest computer in the world, nor does it try to be the smallest. It just tries to be a reliable, capable desktop that fits into your life without demanding a huge chunk of your desk. It is a tool for people who know what they need and want a simple way to achieve it. It is honest about what it is, and for the right user, that makes it a very compelling option. If you are tired of the noise, the bulk, and the waste of a traditional tower but you are not ready to sacrifice the power of a real desktop, this is a very logical step forward. It is a solid, well-thought-out piece of engineering that gets the job done without any fuss.